Drawing the breath in. Visualize the amethyst ray, the violet flame. Place it in any chakra, every chakra, inside your being, inside your spinal cord. Open your palms to receive the dancing flames. Straighten your spine. I am Saint Germain. Straighten your spine. If you have difficulty and your back is tired, then you may stand to straighten the spine. Otherwise, sit with the straightest spine as possible and draw the breath in of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in. Tone for me 9 times. Be aware with the first tone of your earth star, which is below the root chakra, and tone into the earth star. Tone into the root, the belly, sacral chakra, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat chakra, the third eye, and the soul star above the crown, and the soul star above the crown chakra, probably about 15 to 13 inches above most of your heads. Like your DNA spirals, imagine the center coming up through all those chakras. Imagine an axis of golden light coming up through the center of all those chakras, from the center of your earth star to the center of your first chakra, your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, out of the top of the head into the soul star and into the universe. And imagine, as that becomes strong, as that becomes anchored, that around you, counterclockwise, swirls the vibrational energy, the new membrane, the membrane of your divinity. Just like your DNA spirals, you spiral this around you now. Hold that visual and begin to tone. Tone whenever you feel it. Just tone through this for the moments while this download continues. The vibration goes through your body, the violet flame, centered, moving together with that axis of gold that is down the center of your being, and that vibrational shift moves around you counterclockwise in a spiral, spiraling around your body, spiraling through your body, toning, let the tone through, spiraling through your body, spiraling through your body, that tone, that energy. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Continue bringing that energy around your being. Your DNA is shifting. Your DNA is changing. You must find things to take care of your body. Use the tools of movement, the mudras. You find the new herbs, find the vitamins, find the plants, find the foods. Find the things that support your brain's changes, your body's changes. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Crystal vibrations, gem vibrations, vibratory water, moving away from too many sugars, moving away from processed foods that have no life, bringing life back to your foods, connecting with them through your hands. Take your vessel of water now, Take your vessel of water that will be your drinking water. Take it to your body now. Take that vessel of water. Place your hands around it and feel the surface of it. Feel the pulsating coming from your DNA to the DNA in the water, to the vibration in the water, to the cells in the water. Feel that. Feel it in your water now. Feel that. Bless the water with every ounce of your love and your being. Feel that. Bless the vibration. Bless, bless, bliss, bless. Blessings, drawing it in. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain. You have accepted your divine nature. You have accepted it. Accept it again. Announce it. I now accept my divine nature. I now accept my divine nature. Speak it out. I now accept my divine nature. I now accept my divine nature. I am accepting of my divine nature. I am divine and I accept my divinity. I accept my divine nature. I am Saint Germain. I accept and reflect your divine natures. I am Saint Germain. I have great love for you. You have great love. Share that love with each other and yourself. I am Saint Germain. Share that love with your planet and the earth. I am Saint Germain. Breathe in now. Awareness. Breathe out love. Breathing in, awareness. Breathing out love. Breathing in, awareness. Breathing out love. Try that silently 10 times. Turn those lips up. Smile in your cells, in your body. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Great healing is taking place on your planet. Healing begins. There will be much healing in the communities at this part of the Americas. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame.